Okay, so what we got here is the beginning of my monkey bars. Got some galvanized steel pipe, an elbow, about a 3.5 inch extender, and a flange. And I've got 8 of these that I'm going to build and mount to a 3-foot piece of plywood and hang in my basement. So you'll see 8 of these soon. Okay, so there we go. We got 8 monkey bars. I'm going to attach these to some 2x4s, 1 foot apart. Alright, now is to install the monkey bars onto this 3-foot 2x4. Now you just want to kind of get it right there in the middle. About 6 inches, 6¼ inches on each side. That's a 18-inch bar. So I'm just going to attach it with these 1.5 inch pretty heavy duty screws to go into the flange. You gotta put some holes in there first, so we'll show you that. Alright, I screwed my first monkey bar into the 3-foot 2x4. Solid. Now is to put this in the basement on the ceiling. This will be the first one we install. Alright, this is where I'm going to install the monkey bars. You see I've done marked where the studs are and marked a foot in between each, and those 2 marks are about 32 inches, so it's going to hang over 2 inches each side. There'll be 8 of them that fit here, so I'm going to do my first one right there. Wish me luck. Well, and there you have it. I installed the first monkey bar, and I'm going to install the next one, which looks really close together, but from bar to bar it will be 12 inches in between. So here's the first one. Watch how fast I am. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there we have it. 8 monkey bars. Now I'll try them out. Alright, let's test them out. Ta-da!
Wow.
Alright, stop it.